Hey guys, Trey with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're taking a closer look at this Barricade skid plate fitting the Barricade Extreme HD modular front bumper for 2019 and newer Ram 1500s, but not including the Rebel or TRX models. This skid plate is a great option for Ram owners who already have or are going to install the Barricade Extreme HD modular front bumper, and you're looking for an added layer of protection for the underbody. It's ideal for those looking to protect vital components from potential damage caused by rocks, debris, or anything else that can damage your undercarriage. This Barricade skid plate provides a crucial layer of protection for your Ram, especially shielding components like the oil pan, transmission, and other critical areas from impacts. Skid plates are particularly important when you're off-road driving, as they reduce the risk for expensive damage when you're encountering rocks, tree stumps, or even uneven terrain. Having a durable skid plate like this one adds peace of mind, allowing you to take tougher trails without any worrying about damage to the underbody. This skid plate is built from heavy-duty steel and features a durable black powder coating finish, providing strength with corrosion and chipping resistance. The steel construction is designed to handle impacts and resist bending, ensuring it will stand up to the harsh conditions. The black powder coat finish not only adds a rugged look, but also protects against rust and other wear, keeping the skid plate in good shape through repeated off-road use. As far as pricing, this is coming in the mid $200 range, which is a reasonable price point for the peace of mind and level of protection that it provides. Installation is straightforward, rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty scale, and should take you 30 minutes to complete. The skid plate is designed specifically for the Barricade Extreme HD modular front bumper, so it's a direct bolt finish and won't take you any extra modifications to put on. Now let's check out exactly how this goes on your 1500 from an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
Tools that we're going to need for this install is a 13mm deep socket and the provided Allen key. First thing we're going to do is grab our passenger side bracket, which you can see here, labeled by the P, and slide that onto the studs. Grab our provided washers, slide those onto the studs, grab our nuts, hand tight, 13mm socket. We're going to tighten these down. You're going to want to make sure you're level on this so the bracket attaches properly in the end. So the left side is complete. Now let's do the same for the right. Bracket on. Washer, nuts, and tighten them down. Again, making sure that we're level so the holes will line up on our skid plate. Here's the view of what those brackets are going to look like when they're on. Now that we have our brackets on, we're going to slide our skid plate onto our bumper and attach it with our bolts. Slide that right in. Align the holes. Grab your bolts. Start lining them up. Just hand tight is good for now, until we get everything threaded in and make sure it's aligned. There's going to be 4 holes, 4 bolts, 4 washers, 4 lock nuts. Now that we got our skid plate hand tight on the front of the bumper, we're going to work on attaching it to the bracket. For that, we're going to go bolt, washer, slide it through the hole, through, washer, and then attach it with the nut. Now that it'll hold. We'll do the second hole, same thing. Bolt washer, washer on the top, another nut. We'll leave this hand tight for now. While we attach the other side, make sure everything's aligned properly. Moving to the other side, follow the steps again. First hole, washer, washer to the top, add that nut. Same thing for the fourth and last one. Now let's verify that it's straight. Looks good to me. Now let's tighten our brackets on the back. Simple as getting your Allen key, your 13mm, holding it in place. Let's torque this thing down. Sure everything's snug. Let's move to the other side. Snug there. Snug there. Verify that we're snug again. We're tight. And then just while we're here, let's verify that we're tight on these.
Well, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Barricade skid plate for the Barricade Extreme HD modular front bumper for 2019 and newer Ram 1500s, but excluding the Rebel and TRX models. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.